Want to see what BleachBit will remove before you start cleaning? Using the preview feature lets you review the files and estimate the amount of storage that can be recovered without deleting anything. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to preview files before cleaning in BleachBit. Let's get started. First, launch BleachBit from the Start menu. If Windows asks for administrator permission, click Yes to continue. Running with administrator privileges allows BleachBit to inspect additional system locations when available. Next, review the list of cleaning categories in the left panel. Select the items you'd like to inspect, such as temporary files, browser cache, logs, thumbnails, or other available cleanup options. Only choose the categories you actually plan to clean. Now click the Preview button near the top of the window. BleachBit will scan the selected locations without deleting any files. Depending on how much data is being checked, the scan may take a few moments. Once the scan finishes, review the results displayed in the main window. You'll typically see the types of files that can be removed along with an estimate of the storage space that could be recovered. This gives you a chance to confirm your selections before making any permanent changes. If you're satisfied with the preview results, you can proceed by clicking the Clean button. If not, simply uncheck any categories you no longer want to clean and run another preview if needed. Taking a moment to review everything helps avoid removing data you intended to keep. And that's how to preview files before cleaning in BleachBit. Using the preview feature is one of the easiest ways to verify exactly what will be cleaned before you remove any files. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.